Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on a OnePlus Nord 5. So you have to start by pressing on this arrow button, and here you can select your language, or you can just click next, and now you can select your region, then click next, and here click next again. Here you can set up using another device, or you can just click skip, and here you can connect to Wi-Fi, or you can click skip again. Now you can set up your unlock method, or you can click skip and then click later. Then scroll down and click accept, and then scroll down and click agree. Now you can select your navigation mode and then click done, and then click let's go. And as you can see, my device is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.